Hello students, good day. In today's session we are continuing with SQL joins. In the previous class we have learned about equi-join and cross-join, that is called Cartesian join. So in today's class we are going to learn few more joins. The first one is inner join. Okay, so in equi-join we just check only equality conditions, right? So apart from equality, if you are checking any other condition, then that is called inner join. Okay, so in inner join we can also implement equi-join. Okay, so it implements equi-join. In this join, only those records are returned from both the tables that satisfy the given condition. Okay, so the condition can be anything. Okay, the condition can use any relational operator, which also use equality operator. Okay, so we can say equi-join is a type of inner join. Okay, right. So inner join can have equality and other operators like less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, equals to, not equals to. Okay, and equi-join only have equality operator. There is a difference between equi-join and inner join. Okay, and how to achieve this one? Select asterisk from student. You can write inner join or you can write join, both are same. And then you have to mention the table name on the next table name, okay, on the condition. Okay, so here student is the first table name and join, then the second table name, then on the condition. So the condition we have to use any other, we can use any other operator. Okay, we can also use equality operator and other operators. Okay, let's see this example. The first table, I have table 1 which has roll number and then name, and then second table, table 2 which has roll number and then name. So how to apply this inner join? Okay, select asterisk from table 1, you can write inner join table 2. Okay, table 1 from first table and then second table on. The condition is I am just using the equality operator. Okay, so it just fetches the record which satisfies the condition. Table 1 dot roll number equal to table 2 dot roll number. So here we have 3 and 4 common for both these tables. So these two records will be written. So as we used asterisk symbol, all the columns from two tables. So roll number, name from first table, again roll number, name from the second table. Okay, so this is the result we are getting. Right, so this one, the next one I just checked. Okay, here inner join I am using the condition greater than table 1 dot roll number greater than table 2 dot roll number. So which one satisfies the condition here? 1 is greater than 4? No. 2 is greater than 3? No. And then 3 is greater than 5? No. 4 is greater than 6? No. But if you compare 4 is greater than 3. Okay, so here if you check 4 against 3, this is greater than this one. So only this record will be written. If you are taking 2, again 2 is not greater than 4, greater than 3, greater than 5 and then greater than 6. Again 3, which one satisfies? If you take only 4, this 4 is greater than 3. This only record satisfies the condition. Okay, so that record alone will be written here. Okay, so this inner join fetches records that satisfies the given condition. So the given condition here is table 1 dot roll number is greater than table 2 dot roll number. So this is the one tree record which satisfies the condition, so that is written here. And then next one I am using instead of inner join I have just used only join. So select asterisk from table 1, join table 2. Just shows that inner join and join are same. Okay, so the same statement, instead of inner join I used join, which it is the same record. So next one we have natural join. So natural join is a type of equi-join which occurs implicitly by comparing all the same name columns in both the table. So this one fetches the records which has the same column name in both the table. So in the previous example we used, right, instead of R and O we just used roll number, and in the equality condition we just checked R and O is equal to roll number, right? So for natural join, for both tables the column name should be same. Okay, so how to implement this natural join? We can simply write the query, select asterisk from table 1, natural join table 2. So natural join always looks for the equality operator and then the column name should be same. So as we have same column number, column name, roll number and then name, it fetches the record which satisfies the equality condition 4 and 3. Okay, 4 and 3 is common in both the tables, and you can see here you will get only one column name. So in the previous examples Okay, in the resultant table, okay, we are getting 4 column names, right? Roll number name, roll number name. But in natural join, in the output, you will be getting only 2 column names. The column names which are same in both the table. Okay, so that is called natural join. Right. So select asterisk from student, natural join parent. There is no need to write any equality condition, any on class, because it automatically checks for equality. And then the column name should be same. Whenever you are using natural join, you have to remember the column names should be same in both tables. Next one we have left join. It selects rows from both left and right tables that are matched plus all rows from left table even with no matching rows found in the right table and null from the right table's column. So you can see this picture. So if A and B are two tables, if you are using left join, all the values from A table will be written, okay, and all the matching rows from B table. So this intersect means common rows from both the table. So left join takes all the values from left table and the common values that are available in both the tables. So how to achieve this one? Select asterisk from students, left. This is called outer join. So you can use left join or left outer join. Both are same. The first column name, here first table name and then second table name on the condition. So as usual the condition can be anything. The condition can use any relational operator. So here we have left join. Select asterisk from table 1, left join table 2 on table 1 dot roll number equal to table 2 dot roll number. So from the first table we will be getting all the records, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and from the second table only the common records. So 3 and 4 are common here. So that is the output here. So 1 and 2 from left table. For that one there is no matching case in the table 2. For that just null is returned. Okay, for 3 and 4 that are common in both the tables, so it fetches from both tables. Okay, so if the matching record is not found in second table, null will be written. If it is found, the values will be written, but all the values in the left side table will be written. Okay, so next one we have right join. Okay, so this is just opposite of left join, all the values from right table. So it selects rows from both left and right tables that are matched. Okay, the common columns, common records from both tables and plus all rows from right table even with no matching rows found in the right table. Okay, and null from the left table's column. So if there is no matching value in the left table, then null will be written. Okay, so select asterisk from table 1, right join table 2 on table 1 dot roll number equals to table 2 dot roll number. So all the values from the right table, that is table 2. Okay, so the table 2 values are 4, 3, 5, 6 and here the matching columns are 3 and 4 again. Okay, so the result is 4 and 3, okay, and then 5 and 6. So you can see here all the values from right side table, that is table 2, and then the matching values from left table. For non-matching values, null is written. Okay, so the next example I have shown that outer join. So instead of using right join, you can also use right outer join. Both are same. Okay, you will get the same values. Okay, so these are all the basic joins. So first one is inner join. So inner join is just matching records from both the tables. The matching condition can be anything, not necessarily only equality operator. Okay, so next natural join. So natural join always checks for equality condition. The only main thing is the common column name should be there. The column name should not be different. In both the tables the column name should be same. And then in the resultant output you will be getting only one pair of columns. Okay, so that is called natural join. Right, left join you will be getting all the values from left table and matching records from right table. Right join all the values from right table and matching records from the left table. So that's all about the joins. Thank you.